try, and I'm gonna remove this from this thing, and I'm gonna try putting my other engine on here. So, taking this thing apart, it needs to be cleaned. And all that good stuff. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, because right now we can probably get this out, but this one I'm afraid is going to be too much. Right now it's seized. This one is the one I can't do anything about, because I can't, because this is the one, there's something stuck. This is going to be a hard one, because, and this is what's going to probably make me have to do this weird. I basically have to mount this on this side instead of that side, instead of taking off this top, because this is the 1 and 2 side. I have to do it from the 3/4 side and pull that off so that I can make the crank move so I can get access to this piston skirt. See, this is stuck in this position. Now I'm going to try getting those clips out. If I can get this pin out, there's a good chance I can get this piston out, which means I can do it the traditional way. I can lift it up from sides. Got it. Okay, now this ought to work. Voila! Alright. Yeah, I'm not sure why this is stuck, but I'll find out in short order, because now I gotta take it off and I gotta mount it onto the other side. This back over here. This is the stud. I gotta find another one of these for this side. the way this stud works is it allows me to use the length of this thing onto it. So let's see. What? No. This has an insert? Oh no. I have to get one of those bolts. And I have no idea what. Okay, so I was able to find another one of these stud ones from the Idaho engine, and now I can attach this to both studs. Very happy about that. It's like this. It's not too heavy. Thank heaven. That's lovely. Yeah, but that's what the bottom of the whole case looks like right now, is this kind of stuff. Wow, that just fell out completely. Did not expect that. So I'm not sure what's keeping this together, but the case is now split all around. All the way around. And yet, it's not done. First. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything particularly wrong with this. So yeah, I don't know what is the cause for this to not want to work. It probably needs to be a line board. I hope there's not like serious internal damage here. I'll take this. I'm not 1000% sure what I'm even looking at. I know there's tons of goop in there, but oh, here's one of the bearings. I don't know. And this was always one of the ones that went like that on the other side. Well, I'm happy I was able to get this case split. I was happy I was able to get it up and I'm not sure. Hello. Off, down, Lancer, down. Oh. Well, I'm happy I was able to get this thing split and opened up and to see what the condition the cam shaft as well as the crankshaft are in. I don't really know. I took a lot of pictures and video. I don't know what made it so difficult for it to, you know, the other one popped open pretty quick. This can't be the first time this has ever been cracked open. Well, it might. This might. It was pretty tough. In any case, this thing is definitely in need of a rebuild. Probably new everything as far as I might need new rods. I know I'll need new cylinders and new pistons. I might be able to use the pistons that came off of my 1500, but I'm not sure. This is the one I'm rebuilding first. If I can rebuild the second one and make some money back from doing this one, then I will. But right now my priority is to get this one up and running, so my daughter has something to power her car next year. So the next thing I will be doing is I'll be taking both of these cases to the car wash with some simple green and super high pressure wash to get as much of the gunk and the oil out of there, so that I can take this to the machine shop and get an estimate on what needs to be done to get it machined, what needs to be done for the heads, everything. So a little discussion about this engine. This is a H case engine that is a 1600 dual port that we got online. There was a guy up in Idaho who had this engine. It's seized. There are two cylinders that are actually, I mean, they're completely, the pistons are actually like rusted, welded, or whatever it seems like, to the cylinders. This one on this side, you can see that's kind of just stuck there. That's the end of a piston. But the funny thing is, so is that. So I think one of those two rods is probably broken. And I really, I kind of regret getting this, except for the fact that they came with a really nice clutch and flywheel. That was right there was worth the $80 purchase price. Plus, It did come with dual port heads. A few of the fins have been broken off, but the heads look like they might be okay. I'm going to see if I can do anything with this distributor and also take off this pulley. The thing that also was a saving grace about having this was the fact that when I was trying to take apart my AH case, it was missing one of the studs in the back here, like this one is now, because I used this other one that was right here for my AH. And because the AH has 3 threaded holes, one here, one here, and one here, and this right here has an insert on that AH case, and so I couldn't use this to use the regular bolt. So I was able to use this other one in there. So it was nice. Here's my boxes, or my case of goodies that I got for all this today. These actually are really handy. I will say these are a little better ones. But hi, puppy. Hello, Lancer. How are you? Yeah, good boy. Okay, I'm dirty though. Okay, signing off for now.